What destroys relationships faster? Anger, ego, or lack of communication?
Anger is an emotion. Okay, so anger
Sometimes
is like,
it is devastating.
when I try to understand this first, ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ କହୁ anger sometimes it is devastating, ଆମେ ସେ anger ର ପୁରା ଯେତେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟାୟ ଅଛି ବା ଯେତେ phases ଅଛି ଆମେ ତା ବିଷୟରେ କଥା ହଉନା, ଆମେ ସିଧା ପହଞ୍ଚି ଯାଉଛୁ extreme ଆଡେ.
Okay.
Okay, ଆମେ ଆଗ ବୁଝିବା ଯେ anger is an emotion. Like you feel sad or you feel upset
Happy.
or you feel happy. Okay, you feel joyful, ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ emotion, right? ତ anger is like amaro jemti ki bhabinyantu rain.
Acha.
So it comes and it goes. Sometimes it destroys, sometimes it just cleanses us, sometimes it makes us happy, sometimes we need it that it should rain, we were praying for it that it should rain. Okay, so sethipai ki anger as an emotion is required, but we need to see whether we are abusing with our anger or we are using that emotion for something better. Okay, for something greater purpose. कारण anger भी देखिथिबे जेतेबेले protest हमें करू, जेतेबेले rally करू, जेतेबेले voice करू हमर opinion, से time रे anger टा भी दरकार. So it is needed to know, हमें जानिबा दरकार जे anger टा को हमें use करछु for a bigger purpose और हमें ताकू misuse करछु, abuse करछु, right?